Let me show you how to solve this question. Here we are asked to solve x raised to the power of log x base 2 equals to 16. To solve this question, please pay attention. We have x raised to the power of log x base 2 equals to 16. The question, you can say that this x is raised to the power log x base 2. What is the base of this logarithm? The base of this logarithm is 2. So I'm going to log both sides to base 2. Do you understand? So I'm going to have log x raised to the power of log x base 2. Now, do not forget the base, which is 2, is equals to log 16 base 2. This is what I meant by logging both sides of the equation to base 2. Are you getting it? So now, the question is this. Since I have log x base 2 raised to the power of log x base 2, let's log x base 2 equals to a. Are you getting it? So I'm going to have a raised to the power of a equals to log 16 base 2. Is that not it? Yes. Do not forget that 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 4, right? Are you following? So I'm going to replace 16 as 2 raised to the power of 4. So for this, I'm going to have a raised to the power of a equals to log, instead of 16, replace as 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 base 2. Now, there is a law that says the log of a power, let's say I have log a base a raised to the power of b. The log of a power is the product of the power and the logarithm. Do you understand? So this power will multiply the logarithm. So I have b log a base a. And there is another law that says logarithm of a number to the same base will give you 1. Do you understand? So you're going to apply this law and this law. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have a raised to the power of a equals to 4 log 2 base 2. A raised to the power of a equals to 4 multiplied by, now, logarithm of 2 to the base of 2 will give you 1. So I'm going to have times 1. A raised to the power of a equals to 4. Now, 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have a raised to the power of a equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. Here, a will be equals to 2. Now, do not forget, our goal is to find the value of x, right? And not the value of a. So recall that we say, let's log x base 2 equals to a. So I'm going to have log x base 2 equals to a. A is now 2. Just put it. Log x base 2 equals to 2. Now, change this to index form. It is in logarithmic form now. Change it to index form. This will be equals to x 2 raised to the power of 2, because this will become this. This will carry this. So x is equals to 4, which is the final answer. You can check by substituting the value of x as 4 into this equation. Let us check. I'm having x raised to the power of log x base 2 equals to 16. We want to substitute the value of x as 4 into the left-hand side of the equation. So I'm going to have 4 raised to the power of log 4 base 2. Let us see, by the time we simplify this, let us see if we are going to obtain 16 as the final answer, okay? Now, do not forget that 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, right? So I'm going to have 4 raised to the power of log 2 raised to the power of 2 what? Base 2, right? So here I'm going to have 4 raised to the power of 2 log 2 base 2. This will be equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 times 1, because logarithm of the same number, the same base is 1. So I'm going to have 4 raised to the power of 2. 4 raised to the power of 2 will give you 16. That means our solution is correct. Do you understand? Okay, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay. And if you want to learn more on logarithm, you are free to visit the playlist on our YouTube channel. We have solved diverse questions on this topic, logarithm. Okay. So that is the solution to this question. See you in the next class.